Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Suno for free. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com and we're all logged in. So if you haven't signed up yet, then you should go through that process. And once you're signed up and you're logged in, then you should be met with a screen similar to this. And the good news is when it comes to Suno, it does offer a free tier where it provides 50 credits per day that you can use. Now, bear in mind that if you are using the free version of Suno, then you are unable to use the latest model, which is version 4. So you only have access to 3.5, which is still quite good, and you can definitely do a lot with it. But there are certain features that are only available if you have a subscription. But that being said, Suno does provide those 50 credits, and those regenerate daily. With 50 credits, that equals about 5 songs. And every time you generate a song, Suno is going to generate 2 results, and each result is 5 credits. So every time you do it, it's going to be 10 credits total. So that basically equals about 5 songs. Now, with your 5 songs, you're going to be getting 2 generations each time. So it's kind of like getting 10 songs, but usually you're not going to necessarily use all of those. But it's usually good enough for certain people, depending on what you're looking for. If you just want to come in and generate a good little tune that you want to use for whatever, then Suno is nice enough to offer those 50 credits and you can get a lot done with those. If you are looking to upgrade, then you can just click on upgrade and you can see here that they have a few different plans that you can choose from. And the basic plan, again, gives you 50 credits daily. And the pro plan offers 2,500 credits monthly, which equals about 500 songs. So you can really do quite a bit with that. Now, with 500 songs, a lot of times it takes multiple generations before you finally get what you're looking for. But you can play around and you can really dial it in. And if we just click on create here, then you can see that I've already done a variety of different generations. And this is one example here where I had to do quite a few before I really found something that I quite liked. But that's up to you. You can spend as much time with it, really trying to dial it in and get something that you're looking for. I had to generate quite a few before I really found something that I liked. But in the end, I was really happy with the results. So go ahead and go to Suno, play around, use those 50 credits, and if you decide that you want to upgrade, then you'll get access to version 4, which gives you some additional features like remastering your songs. You can see here you can remaster, and you get a few other things like creating cover songs, making personas, and also downloading in WAV file format. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.